So in this pan, I have a bunch of garlic cloves that are peeled. I have some fresh thyme. It doesn't matter, quantities don't matter. And I have 2 pieces of lemon peel. I did take off the pith. Make sure you do that, otherwise, it'll get bitter. This is an oven-proof skillet, by the way. So you're gonna need something that is oven-proof, okay? I have an oven heating at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 148, 149 centigrade. We're gonna add enough oil to this to cover the garlic. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil you want. Make sure you stay until the end of the video so that we can talk about the safe way to keep this, okay? And also, if you haven't subscribed, this would be a great time, and thank you. This was in the oven for almost 2 hours. This is how you want the garlic to get a little brownish. We all know that garlic is just excellent for our health. It's great for your immune system. It's a natural antibiotic. It lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure. I'm going to list all of the benefits, as always, right here. But this is a great way to eat it. And this is not the only way you can eat this, by the way. I like mashing a bunch of these and doctoring store-bought pasta sauce. It'll take that pasta sauce to another level. You are going to have to refrigerate this, guys. You can't leave it on the counter. It could get botulism, in which case, that'll kill you. But so put it in a container, wait for it to cool down, put it in a container and leave it in the fridge. You can also freeze it up to 2 months, and you can freeze like individual pieces in a tray, and use it within 2 months. But look at this, pure butter. Wow. I'll put a little salt on it, and yummy. This is going to congeal in the refrigerator for you, and don't worry about it. Just take it out, take as much garlic as you want with a spoon, and it'll come back to room temperature and it'll be fine. All right, once you've eaten all the garlic, you can use that oil for salad dressings. You can use it for cooking, for all kinds of things. It's delicious. It's gonna be so aromatic. Oy, oy, oy. Fantastic. Oh man, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.